ChatGPT versus Google, who wins? ChatGPT was demonstrated at a technology conference. During the demonstration, the presenter fed ChatGPT a series of complex and obscure queries and was amazed by the speed and accuracy with which the model was able to return relevant and useful results. The presenter compared ChatGPT to Google and other traditional search engines, and noted that ChatGPT was able to return results that were more tailored and relevant to the specific queries being asked. This demonstration served to highlight the impressive capabilities of ChatGPT and sparked a lot of interest in the potential of these natural language processing models as a replacement for traditional search engines. One of the main strengths of ChatGPT and other natural language processing models is their ability to generate human-like text and code based on a given prompt. These tools are able to understand and interpret complex and obscure queries and return results that are tailored and relevant to the specific query being asked. This is in contrast to traditional search engines like Google, which rely on algorithms and predetermined rules to return results. Another strength of ChatGPT is its ability to learn and adapt over time. As more people use the platform and provide feedback on the results it returns, ChatGPT is able to learn and improve its performance, making it more accurate and useful over time. This is in contrast to traditional search engines like Google, which do not have the ability to learn and adapt in the same way. The key players in OpenAI, the company that developed ChatGPT, have a complex relationship with Google. On one hand, OpenAI has received funding from Google and has worked with the company on a number of projects in the past. On the other hand, there is some competition between the two companies, as they are both working to develop advanced artificial intelligence technologies and tools. Despite this competition, there is also a sense of collaboration between OpenAI and Google, as both companies are working towards similar goals and are committed to advancing the field of artificial intelligence. It is likely that the relationship between the two companies will continue to evolve and change over time as they work together to develop new technologies and tools. In terms of user experience, ChatGPT is able to provide a more frictionless and seamless user experience as it is able to understand and interpret complex and obscure queries and return results that are more tailored to the specific needs of the user. In contrast, Google may sometimes return results that are less relevant or accurate as it relies on predetermined rules and algorithms that may not be able to fully understand and interpret the nuances of a specific query. Another factor that may impact the frictionless nature of the user experience is the speed at which ChatGPT and Google are able to return results. ChatGPT is able to process and generate results much faster than Google, as it does not have to rely on algorithms and predetermined rules. This means that ChatGPT provides a more seamless and immediate user experience, as users do not have to wait long for results to be returned. When comparing the potential for further development of ChatGPT and Google, it is important to consider the different technologies and approaches that each platform is built on. ChatGPT is a natural language processing model that is designed to generate human-like text and code based on a given prompt. As such, the potential for further development of ChatGPT is largely tied to advances in natural language processing and artificial intelligence. As these technologies continue to evolve and improve, it is likely that ChatGPT will also become more sophisticated and capable. Google, on the other hand, is a traditional search engine that relies on algorithms and predetermined rules to return results. While Google has made significant advances in the field of artificial intelligence, its potential for further development is more limited than that of ChatGPT. This is because Google is not designed to generate text or code in the same way that ChatGPT is, and it is limited by the predetermined rules and algorithms that it relies on. Will ChatGPT replace Google? That's hard to say. While ChatGPT and other natural language processing models have the potential to generate more tailored and relevant results based on specific queries, traditional search engines like Google have a well-established user base and a strong brand reputation. Additionally, Google has made significant investments in artificial intelligence, and has a dedicated team of researchers working to improve the platform. It is possible that ChatGPT or other natural language processing models could eventually replace Google or other traditional search engines, but it is also possible that they could coexist and complement each other in the future.